Welcome, I'm David Geiger. Despite some good rains at the end of June, the first week of July hasn't seen that much rain. According to the Iowa Crop Progress Report, spotty rains helped crops, but farmers say more is needed, especially in the northern two-thirds of the state. Topsoil moisture levels were rated 50% short to very short, with subsoil levels at 63% short to very short. State climatologist Justin Glisson says there is a shift to a more active storm track, which is thunderstorm driven. That means it will be hit or miss across the fields.
If we look at the first half of June, it was the seventh warmest start on record and the driest start going back 149 years. So we really shifted at the end of June into more moderate temperatures, and then, as I mentioned, a more active storm track with several days of measurable rainfall across the state right when we needed it.
Looking at drought regions, Iowa still needs several months of rainfall to catch up on the deficits, but the current rains are keeping soil moisture levels mostly the same. As the corn crop gets into tasseling and pollination, that's when timely rainfalls and cooler temperatures will help out, and Glisson says that's the current prediction.
Looking forward, we do see cooler temperatures, and with a more active jet stream over the Midwest, we do expect measurable rainfalls over several days over the next 7 to 10 days.
In the 6 days good for field work over the last week, the Crop Progress Report says farmers spent the time spraying post-emergence herbicides and harvesting hay. There are scattered reports of corn silking, with Iowa's corn crop rated at 62% good or excellent. 39% of soybeans are blooming 6 days ahead of the 5-year average, with 5% setting pods 5 days ahead of normal. Soybean conditions are rated 59% good to excellent. And halfway through the week, our market analyst Dan Huber has the details.
Well, kind of a shortened week, of course. No trade on Monday, but boy, just a real volatile trade here this week. Today, very mixed. Grains under pressure with the soy markets higher. And of course, last week, of course, a big up week because of the grain stocks and acreage reports. This week, the rain is taking the precedence over that. And not that everybody's received it. And so some of the driest areas up in the northern plains have been so a little sparse so far, but the attitude is still we got moisture coming in, and seasonally, boy, you get past July 4th on corn, especially, pretty difficult to generate some strength there unless there's some real problems out there. I mean, not that there aren't some issues, but just not widespread enough. You look at the August cattle, we've really been stuck in this 121, 124 range for the better part of a month. And, not we've completely given it up here, but boy, seem to be kind of losing some of the luster there. And again, we're moving late enough into the season. You're not going to see, probably a huge resurgence in the retail trade here. So, might have seen some of the better days in that market already. Yeah, hog market enjoyed a nice rally here over the last couple of weeks. I think more of a technical rebound. Granted, the hog and pig report here a week or so ago was, certainly not bearish, but, not really enough to really sustain anything more than a technical bounce here right now.
That's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.